Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Binance account and complete your KYC verification in 2025. So first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, simply search for Binance application. So this is the Binance application. You need to tap on the install button right next to it and wait for it to install in your device. Now once the installation is completed, simply tap on the open button in order to launch the Binance application. This will be your home page where in order to buy and sell, you need to basically verify your identity, and before that too, you need to register with the help of your email address and your mobile number. So you need to tap on the sign up or the login option over here, then tap on the login option in the bottom. Over here, you need to simply just select your email address or phone number. So after entering it, you need to press next. Now on the next page, you need to verify your email address or your mobile number with the help of an OTP. Now you need to create a strong password for your account as well. Now after the successful creation of your account, it is going to ask you, do you have an inviter? So here on this section you can choose yes and use my referral ID or my referral code that will be given in the description. So if you use that, you are going to get extra sign up bonuses here. Now press the next option here in the bottom, and this is how you can create your account on Binance. Now by default it is going to redirect you here on this verification page, where you need to first of all tap on this drop down menu and select your country. Then depending on your country, it is going to ask you for further details. Like for Austria, you need to provide your first name, your last name, date of birth, and continue. On the next page, you need to basically upload a government issue ID like passport or the national ID. So you need to use your phone's camera to capture both the front and the back clearly. Then it is going to ask you to take a selfie. So you need to follow the on-screen guide in order to align your face within the frame and ensure good lighting. Once you submit it, the verification typically takes just a few minutes to an hour. So Binance will notify you once your ID and your selfie get approved. Once the approval is completed, you will be able to unlock all the buying, selling, trading, and further options. So if you want to increase the limits later, you can complete advanced KYC by uploading your proof of address like a utility bill. So this is how you can create a Binance account and complete your KYC verification in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you hit this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching.